right here. Bloomberg says, and these guys know a lot about finance right here. So shout out to Bloomberg. Bloomberg report, generative AI to become a $1.3 trillion market by 2032, research finds. Bloomberg Intelligence says that basically it's going to grow at a 42% rate over the next upcoming 10 years. Wow. This is crazy, man. So this is the revenue right here, guys. Generative AI revenue. Man, I say, what? This is crazy, man. You know, all the way from 2020 right here, all the way up to where 2024 has got a 3%, has had a 3% increase, and all the way to 2026 it's going to be a 5%, all the way to 2030 is going to be a 12%. This is crazy, man. If you guys are coming in, hit the like button and subscribe, comment, and share the video, man. So right now, man, AI is going to be the next best thing. So you guys gotta realize that you guys gotta be using these tools, man. If you're not using these tools, AI is just going to pass you on up, man. So I want you guys to share this with people who need to see the potential that AI has for people out here. Welcome to the stream, man. Thanks for watching it. But yeah, so one of the websites is going to help you actually use AI and make money is going to be this this actual site right here called Rask. So Rask AI is a site where you can make money online using AI, guys. Come on. Let's go. So let's go to the home page. I know I was already in it, man. I got a couple of things I want to share with you guys, man, if it pops up. So Rask is a translating AI software. Translate video and audio to unlock the world with potential AI, man. So with this, guys, you guys can actually translate any video, as you can see, from US to Japan to Philippines to French, you know, you got Turkish, you got all this, man. So let's see what he's talking about.
Welcome. Hey, I'm Anton, and I can speak English. But that's not all. Puedo lanzar algunos español en la mezcla. Nihongo mo.
Wow.
Rask AI allowed me to translate my content into 130 plus languages. Try it for free.
See, I told you. And you can try it for free, guys. RaskAI.com, man. So it's trusted by a million users, Trip, Amazon, SEM Rush, and all that, man. The most powerful AI dubbing tool. So I know you guys are wondering, how are you gonna make money from it, right? Let's see what he's
Charles
talking about
Bukowski
right here.
said something in a poem called Style about art. Il a défini l'art en disant le style est la réponse à tout. Une nouvelle façon d'aborder une chose
This is
ennuyeuse ou
crazy,
dangereuse.
man. Is this crazy to you guys?
Fazer uma coisa chata com estilo é preferível a fazer uma coisa perigosa sem ele. Hacer algo peligroso con estilo es lo que yo llamo arte. ¿Qué crees que quiso decir con eso? ¿Estás de acuerdo con esto?
Wow.
Niebezpieczną rzeczą ze stylem jest sztuka.
That's Joe
Powiedział, że
Rogan.
obie walki mogą być.
So that's what I'm saying, guys. This is crazy. So yeah, you can sign up for free. And I know you guys are wondering, how are you gonna make money with this right here? So this is a site right here where you can translate any video. So like you can go to YouTube right here, and this is they're speaking in Chinese. Fair use.
是的，我们在这儿买了一个房子。
那很好，你的先生怎么样？
他也
You
很
see
好。下个周末我们去看篮球。
you see how they're speaking in Chinese. What you want to do is you can get the link to this actual video right here. You can get the share link. Get this share link right here, and you can paste it right here. Once you make an account, you can paste the YouTube link right here, guys. And it's going to translate the whole video into English. Like, that is crazy, man. It's going to translate it into English. So you like, okay, I can translate YouTube videos into English, and they're not even speaking English, or translate an English video into Chinese. How do I make money? Okay, here's one way you can make money off of this website, guys. It's called steeps.com. And on this website, you can actually become a translator. You can become a translator. You can sign in. You can sign up to this and become a translator for steeps.com, where, as you can see, it's been on CBS, Netflix, Zoom, PepsiCo, and become a professional translator. Guys, I want to let you know you can win out here, guys. You can win.
Glasses, jacket, shirt. Call me glasses, jacket, and shirt man.
Call him that.
I'll call me super hot boy, 100 degrees, leather jacket, cause I'm super hot, boy.
Hey, professional translator, man. AI services, man. So that's what I'm saying. Like, you can do that. And bro, the sky's the limit, man. I also got another way you can make money off of it too. This is how another website you can actually make money off of the AI and be bringing in bank, man. Fiverr, guys. We got Fiverr again. Fiverr.com. As you can see, as you put in the search translation, people on here selling their translation services. Look, $5, $10, $15, $5, $10, $20. I will translate you from English to native Dutch or Flemish. $100. She's charging $100 for translating, guys. Come on. Man, hit that like button and share this video, man. People really need to see this. This is a game changer. Look, perfect English to Arabic in 6 hours, $5. You can be making bank out here. We're already at $200 already, man, from all this. It's just crazy, man. And last but not least, they also have an affiliate link, guys. Come on. They got an affiliate link where you can actually post this on different websites. My affiliate link's down below. Click my link. I appreciate you guys if you click the link and share as well, man. But that, like, dude, you guys are understanding in so many different ways you can make money online out here. I just want to share it with you guys, man. I want to share it with you guys, man. Hopefully you're getting some value out of this.